YouTube, Poor Penmanship Planner here, coming at you with another video. So for those of you visiting me for the first time, welcome. Thanks for stopping by. And for those of you coming back, hi again. And I really appreciate you guys watching another one of my videos. So I'm gonna do something that I rarely do, and I'm gonna do a plan with me. I normally don't do these because they take me forever, but I'm using a kit, so that should make it quicker. And in my work planner, since this is going to be for the week of Christmas, I don't have to worry so much about space because I don't have to work that much this week. So I will be able to just plan my little heart out. So here we go. I'm doing the week of December 21st through December 27th with Christmas Eve and Christmas Day on Thursday and Friday. I have to thank Planning with Monica S because she got me hooked on Wild Summer Designs because she did a couple of spreads with them. So I got some kits from Wild Summer Designs, one of which was a holiday kit. As you can see here, it's got gingerbread and snowflakes, and I am not a Switch player, but that's okay. It falls in line with everything, hot cocoa. And then we still have some functional things here, some deco and some boxes, some more boxes. There's some washi here, and then date covers and date dots. So I am going to attempt to do this and see what it looks like. So you guys will be coming along for the ride. Hopefully you'll enjoy it. And I have some washi here because I think I wanted to go with silver foil with this kit. I'm just not sure what washi I want to go with. And since I like to use the 5mm washi in my planner, and I can use this bigger washi at the top, hopefully, that is what my plan is. So let's get started. Let's see how I do this time doing a plan with me. Well, that's just not going to work. So we are already going to have to do some work here. I'm going to have to trim it both on the top and on the side because it's just really big washi here, which is fine. That's what tools are for. So let me first try and do my surgery here on the side and not tear through my actual paper. Okay, I had to stop the video because that whole situation here was not going to work for me with this washi, and I was making a mess. So I am going to go in a different direction with regard to my washi. This is nothing wrong with Wild Summer Designs and is 100% wrong with the user operator error. So we're going in a different direction. I decided I'm going to use my Simply Gilded washi on top because I know the size fits and I don't have to do a whole lot of, you know, doctoring on it. So, and I think the color still goes pretty much with the theme. So we will just use this and make my life easier. Sometimes when things don't go the way you want it to go, you just have to recalibrate your goals. And I'm perfectly fine with doing that. So now that we know that's not gonna work. Okay, now it's date time. And I have to make a decision about how I want to put these on. And I think I'm going to do them sideways. I know what you out there are thinking. Why didn't I cover up the date? Because there's still some color left there. And that would have been smart. But I don't think correction tape is what's right for this. So I can tell you now this is going to be a highly edited video, which is also why I don't do plan with me's. So my correction tape is not going to work for me to do it on this side. I could probably do it over here. So I'm going to use my jelly roll. And now we'll be smart and use the whiteout correction tape over on this side. Okay, so now let's do some washi. And which washi are we going to use today? I think I'm going to use one of these. I think this one's going to be the winner. Now I do have work the first part of the week. So we will put that here. Okay. Since this is the first day of winter, these are my stickers that I got from Monica, Planning with Monica S. She does not have a shop, but you know, she's doing her thing, practicing and everything. So I'm going to use this one as my payday sticker. all I'm gonna do for deco. I don't have a lot of like holiday or wintry kind of stickers. I'm still working on, you know, building up my sticker stash. But I still like this. And again, like I do have to work this week, so it can't be too crazy. And also, you know, it's not my personal planner, so I'm not gonna put a whole lot of personal stuff in here. I do know we have our team holiday lunch on Tuesday. Yay. And I mean, this is Christmas Eve, so no work that day. Christmas Day, no work. And then Saturday and Sunday. So my goals for this week are to clear my desk. I forgot. On Monday, I am actually going to be working in the office. And so clear my desk. Validate data. And, yes. Work on mailbox, my email box for the new year. This one I have to put a star by. So, as of right now, this is all I can put in here as my work planner, is that we're having a team holiday lunch, that I need to clear my desk, validate data, and work on my email box, and that I'm going to be in the office on Monday. Otherwise, this is my holiday spread in my work planner. So thank you guys for hanging out. Apologies for the earlier incidents, but you know, progress, not perfection. So thank you guys so much for watching. I can't wait for next week because it's Christmas. And if you could be so kind as to leave a comment, like, subscribe to this channel if you're not already subscribed, it'd be greatly appreciated. And again, this kit was by Wild Summer Designs, and I will leave their information in the description box below. And again, shout out to Planning with Monica S for encouraging, enabling, whatever word you want to use, me to get this sticker kit. And I do like working with sticker kits more than not, because even though I struggled here, because the struggle bus is real with me, kits just make it a whole lot easier. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you and your family have a wonderful and happy holiday. You know, celebrating small, of course, because of everything going on. But whether you celebrate Christmas or anything else, I just hope you guys have a good week and some restful time, because it's 2020 is going to be over soon. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye guys. Happy planning.